So preparation and baseline measurements, right? So if we're going to start a detoxification program, we've spoken about trying to better understand what our targets are, but I'm a science guy. My background's environmental science, and I used to be an EMT. So if I can measure something and get the numbers and see where I'm going with it, that's very helpful. The BMI is the body mass index. That's the classic universal measurement, really just height and weight. Of course, it's limited, but at least it's a starting point. So the BIA is the bioimpedance analysis, which it gets into much more detail. At the end of the presentation, I can do an example of the bioimpedance analysis. I brought the equipment with me. And so that puts a mild electric current through the body, and it's really just measuring. So then it gives us things like the person's basal metabolic rate, but how the tissue breaks down into different compartments, right? So if you go and you stand on the scale, you get a number. But how much of that is fat and adipose tissue versus muscle mass versus visceral tissue? How much of that is total body water? Something like the BIA starts understanding that. And when I've had patients come to me for weight concerns, sometimes it's, there's more to it than just calories in, calories out. Sometimes a person's total body water is elevated. And what they need is, on some level, like a naturopathic diuretic. Something that's going to help push out more of the fluids from the body.